Drop the
taxi. Here, just snatch this real quick. Right from the airport. This is the second E85 fill up for the day, but I think he's gonna do 91. All right, so right now he's supposed to be heading to like some type of like canyon run. You guys know I'm from the East Coast, so I don't know nothing about these roads over here. But we're supposed to be meeting up with like a gang of other people, so I'm literally fresh off the plane. I literally just dropped my bags off. They gave him a call like, hey, we got this going on today. Pull up, see what's up. So let's see what's up. He's filling up again, and we should be good. So I'll catch you guys on the road. Hopefully we can run into some stuff. Told you guys I'm trying to get that crazy content for y'all, so let's go. Doesn't want to take the gas. I'm saying twin turbo Lambo. I didn't even get to show you guys yet. I mean, you've seen him in the channel a couple times, but we in a twin turbo, huh? So I'm saying, y'all haven't seen Mark in a minute. Got the twins on there. Should be a nice little ride today, man. I don't think you guys realize how low this car is too. That's the crazy part. This car is so low. He actually raised it a little bit. I could see the difference from the last time we were here and I drove it. I know. I was like up there. So now I don't feel too scared driving it. But when I first got in this car and I drove it, Jesus Christ. He was like, yeah, take the keys, go. And this shit was super slammed. But we about to head out now. Daniel got the Lambo cup holder. We're somewhere out here in the mountains of California. In front of us is a Mustang. The air is getting crispy. Holding these corners in his Lamborghini, my guy. He driving this shit like a fucking S2000. I know who that is. Doors go hard. 570S? Is that a normal 570S? Your boy Mark about to throw some flames and everybody's flocking. You got Alex Choi over here too, which is pretty crazy. Damn, so this is how Cali gives it up. Y'all have mountain car meets. This is dope though, like pitch black, some toge type shit. This is pretty fire though with the scenic view over there. There's a shit ton of BMWs out here too, bro. Got an M4. His DRLs are mad bright, bro. Got an M2 right here. I think that's a 440i. Another M2. I think that's a 340i. Here's another M right here pulling in. Everybody making me want to bring my M over here, bro. I need to bring my M on this side of town. Hopefully one day, man, channel blows up. We can ship the cars back and forth. Be bi-coastal. Or at least leave a car here and have another car for back home. No. Alex. That's Alex Choi's Audi. Had what people on and won me out of.
Oh, I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you.